Hi, welcome to the homestead. My name is Renee, and welcome to my RV kitchen. Today we're going to be making all stuff Valentine's Day. We're going to start with some chocolate covered strawberries. Come along, let's get cooking. Alright, we're going to measure our chocolate chips. So we're going to do 1 cup of chocolate chips and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute and then I'm going to stir. All right, this is after 1 minute. I did stop it at 30 seconds, tried to mix it, and it wasn't melted enough, so I just continued on with the next 30 seconds. But this was 1 minute total and everything is melted. See this here? I was dealt a bad hand. Just kidding. It's a lot of years. I worked my hands hard for a lot of years and it caught up with me. All right. So there is the chocolate. Here's the pan. These strawberries were so delicious looking in the store, and it was just 2 days ago and they're already starting to deteriorate. So that's why we're doing this project today, so they don't go to waste. I'm going to grab them by their greens here. All right, there we go. Just lay that on your silicone tray. This is for when you need a fast, quick, delicious dessert. And these are so expensive. If you had somebody else make them for you, man, they charge a lot of money for these. So you can save yourself some money and make them yourself. They say when you do store them in the refrigerator, though, do not cover them or it makes condensation on the chocolate. All right, and I do have some chocolate left over here, so I'm going to get some pretzels and we'll make some pretzel treats too. If you have marshmallows, take a marshmallow, take a pretzel stick. You can dip them in there and then put that in the chocolate. Isn't that cute? Or just dip a pretzel, just partial way, or you can dip it all, but if you want your chocolate to stretch, you can just do half of it with chocolate. Still have more leftover chocolate. Again, we're just doing treats for 2. Or you could do it for a party. You can make it on large quantities. But there is about 3/4 of a cup of peanuts. Oh. And just coat all those peanuts up here. And then we'll scoop them out. But it should just show you different ways you can make a quick treat if you had company coming or if you have a little party. And I think this is going to take about 1/4 cup more. So we're going to do a cup total of peanuts. Have a cookie scoop here, and you can decide what size you want your clusters to be. And if you had other fruit or other cereal, you could definitely use the chocolate for that too. But this is just some different ways that you can use this chocolate up so nothing goes to waste. What's your favorite thing to make for the holidays? What's your favorite thing to make for Valentine's Day? And if you have any Valentine sprinkles, you could sprinkle the tops of these with some candies. Isn't that cute? And also, if you needed to set these up quicker, you could just put them in the fridge and they would set up quicker if you have company coming.